Welcome back to BJRS Official. On this video, I am going to be showing you how to earn on Nextel Shares. Yes, as you were told before, if you registered on Nextel, you are automatically a shareholder on Nextel. And what is the benefit of you being a shareholder on Nextel? The benefit is that if other people make calls on Nextel, if other people buy airtime and data, you are going to earn commissions from it. So automatically, as a member of Nextel, you are a shareholder. Like that one is automated, so you can earn from other people that are recharging their phones, other people that buy datas, that pay for cable TVs, understand? So people that pay bills on Nextel, you can earn from them without you doing anything. You just wake up, you go to your shareholders dashboard and you claim your earnings, which is what I am going to show you right there on this video. So we have a lot of shares right there to claim. Like this is page 1, and if you check right there, it's up to like 4 pages. If you check this particular place, now let's go. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So we have a whole lot to claim. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into business. So for example, now if I am on my dashboard like this, here is my Nextel dashboard. So if I want to claim my shareholders earning, all you have to do is go right here, just click here. So after clicking here, you are going to see shareholders portal right in front of your screen. So just tap on shareholders. So after clicking on shareholders, you have to scroll down. Just scroll down like this. You are going to see claim. You see we have 32 shareholders available, understand? I mean, we have 32 shares available. I have already claimed some, so that's why it dropped down to 32. So all you have to do is to click on claim 32. So after you click on it, you see that I have claimed this one. I have claimed some selected numbers of this thing before I decided to make this video. Now let's start claiming. You see that I have already claimed this one. Meanwhile, I haven't earned from all these other ones. So now all you have to do is to tap on these things one by one. Just click on it one by one in order for you to claim them. Just click. You see, just keep clicking. You don't waste time, you just click and you earn. You see, right? The more you click, the more you earn. That's just how to earn on Nextel shareholders, understand? So what I have to do now is, let's say I have already claimed the page 1, like I've claimed everything in page 1. Now let's go to the second page. Let me scroll down, click on next, understand? Just tap on next. So after clicking on next, you are going to see others right there. Then we have to claim them as well. So let's claim from these ones. Just tap on claim. You see, so others are turned to buy shares, understand? So these ones now are not claimable. Let's click on next to see if we still have something to claim. Okay, now we have to check back later. Yeah, you just have to check back later. For to buy share is not yet available, so you only claim without buying any shares or doing any other stuff. So let's check back later. So this is just how to earn from Nextel shareholders, or how you earn on Nextel as a shareholder. So I believe this is very simple, which anybody or everybody can do at all. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video like this. Bye.